Hello students, today we'll discuss the chapter Fight Manju Fight by Sigrun Srivastava. So first of all we'll discuss about the author. Sigrun Srivastava is an Indian author of German origin. She is a multifaceted artist, a writer, a sculptor and an illustrator. She has written over 25 books for children of all ages. Her stories for 12 to 14 years old display a rare sensitivity towards the feelings, dreams, joys, and fears of children of that age. Let's discuss about the story. Introduction. Everyone has his or her share of obstacles and difficulties in life. Obstacles here means things that block one's way. Next, while a loser may give in to the pressure and quit, but a winner continues to fight against all odds till he or she emerges a winner. When he or she decides to fight the odds, other comes to help. Manju, the central character, not only fights her handicaps but also financial problems and father's apathy and helplessness to develop her painting skills. Let's discuss about the characters. First, Manjula Parikar. Manjula, a 13-year-old girl, has claw-like malformed fingers. Her feet too are deformed. She has positive attitude towards life. She is confident that she can paint well in spite of her handicap. Next, mother, Mrs. Parikar, a very loving mother devoted to her household tasks, means routine work. She has a special soft corner for her daughter and always tries to encourage her. Next, father, Mr. Parker. He is a man with modest means. He is a down-to-earth man and does not believe in living in the dream world. Next, Amol, Manjula's brother. Amol is a 12-year-old lad full of naughtiness. He is always all set to tease his elder sister. Let's discuss the sequence of the story. Manjula's deformity. Deformity means not having normal and natural shape of a part of body. She has claw-like malformed fingers and clumsy feet. Feet covered with made-to-order shoes, hands exposed. Made-to-order here means designed specially to fulfill a particular set of requirement. Hands exposed, that means she is able to cover up her clumsy feet with specially designed shoes but can't hide her hands. Next, Manjula's love for painting. Painting, her first love, can paint well. That means painting is her first love and she can paint very well. Handling brushes, no problem. Handling brushes was no problem. Handling brushes, no problem. That means handling brushes is no problem for Manjula. Cost of painting material, a real problem. Then what is the real problem? The real problem is cost of painting material. Requests mother for some extra money. Money needed for colors and paint. She requests her mother to give her some extra money to buy colors and paints. Considerate mother gives money from her secret savings. Mother, Mrs. Parker, she has a special soft corner for her daughter, so she always tries to encourage her, so she gives money from her secret saving. First painting appreciated. First watercolor painting shown to mother. Manjula shows her first watercolor painting to mother. Mother appreciates excitedly, considers it perfect. Mother appreciates the painting a lot and considers it as a perfect painting. Father appreciates casually, but father appreciates normally. Next, Manjula's 13th birthday. Mother presents a set of artist's watercolors. Manjula's mother gives her a set of artist's watercolors. Father presents a book on painting. Father gives a book on painting. Brother's mischief. Hands over a big packet tightly wrapped and noted. Manjula's brother Amol hands over her a big packet which is tightly wrapped and noted. Difficult to open. It is very difficult to open that big packet. Actual present of 3 water color brushes hidden under a pillow. Actually, Manjula's brother Amol gives her 3 watercolor brushes which are hidden under a pillow. All presents liked by Manju. Manjula likes all the gifts given to her by her family. Manjula demands better quality watercolor papers. Mother agrees, decides to talk to father. When Manjula demands better quality watercolor papers, mother agrees to it and she decides to talk to father. Father, hesitant, talks of rising cost of living. That means father is unsure to provide better quality watercolor papers and talks of rising prices of essential things. Hasn't bought a sari for mother for a long time, and he says he has not bought a sari for Manjula's mother for a long time. Mother prepared to sacrifice sari, to which mother is prepared to sacrifice sari and she says she doesn't need any sari. Father worried about ever increasing expenditure. Expenditure here means an action of spending money. Wants his daughter to learn cooking or stitching instead. He wants his daughter should learn cooking or stitching instead of painting. Manjula overhears the conversation. Feels very upset. When Manjula overhears the conversation between the mother and the father, she feels very upset. Tears her painting into bits, hides painting material in the cupboard. She is so upset that she tears her painting into small pieces. She hides her painting material into the cupboard. Decides to stop painting, starts learning cooking from her mother. Now she decides to stop painting and she starts learning cooking from her mother as her father wants. Brother's encouragement. Amol, Manjula's brother, always encourages her a lot. Wants his sister to participate in on-the-spot painting competition. Amol wants his sister Manjula should participate in on-the-spot painting competition. Is sure that Manjula will win the first prize if she participates, and he is sure that if Manjula will participate, she will definitely win the first prize. Father disinterested talks of going to Bombay for a meeting. Father is disinterested in their talk and he talks of going to Bombay, now Mumbai, for a meeting. Manjula dreams of going to Bombay but can't. Manjula dreams of going to Bombay because people over there are different and they will not talk about her deformities. And there is also an art college in Bombay. Father's attitude disheartens Manjula. When they are talking about on the spot painting competitions and father is not interested, he talks of going to Bombay for a meeting and he pays no attention towards Manjula's talent. This attitude of father disheartens Manjula a lot. Mother understands her, but her mother understands her completely. Says encouraging words tell her to overcome obstacles with her strong willpower. Her mother says encouraging words to her and tells her to overpower all the obstacles coming in her way with her willpower. Manjula, not impressed, rushes to her room, feels upset. Manjula is not impressed with the words of her mother and she rushes to her room and feels very upset. Newspaper cutting. A newspaper cutting. Surprised to find a newspaper cutting in her room. When she rushes towards her room, there she finds a newspaper cutting. Surprised to find a newspaper cutting in her room. Manjula is surprised to find a newspaper cutting in her room. It read, "Playing soccer with artificial feet." It was written on that, "Playing soccer with artificial feet," about Rich Blanger who lost feet in a train accident. There was a headline about a soccer player who used to play with artificial feet named Rich Blanger. Manjula feels encouraged and vows to fight. She feels very much encouraged and she feels like a fighter from Rich Blanger's example, and it makes her optimistic. Takes out painting material from the cupboard, and she takes out the painting material again from the cupboard. On the day of on the spot painting competition, Amol goes off to school to help in the painting competition arrangements. Amol goes to school earlier to make the arrangements for on the spot painting competition. Manjula tells of her decision to participate. Manjula decides to participate and tells her decision. She talks about Rich Blanger and feels encouraged and refuses to give in, and she behaves like a fighter. Students, these are difficult words which are already sent to you. These words will help you to read the chapter. Thank you.